Hey guys, it's Doug here. I thought I'd just do a quick video. I've been helping a few people out recently, and I figured, I'll just better make something like this real quick, and we'll just put it together. Now, shout out to my mentor. Sorry guys, shout out to my mentor Ari. He was the one that sort of put me onto this a little bit, just to sort of get things rolling. Now, this is definitely just the basics. All right, guys. But I want to talk to you about your setup on your Facebook profile. Okay, so it's very important that you have a plain avatar picture and then a business orientated kind of Facebook banner. So mine's fairly basic. If we look, we can look at other ones, but I don't want to show other people's Facebook on my video, so that there's privacy stuff there. But you'll notice that there's people having success. They all have a nice Facebook banner. Now the reasons why, it's a little bit more professional. For example, you get a friend request from someone, and they've got Donald Duck as their avatar and some kind of car doing a burnout or something random in their Facebook banner. Are you going to add them as a friend? No, you're not. Well, the chances are pretty low anyway. So what I want to show you is just very quickly on how you can achieve this. So we go back to the desktop. Now, there's a couple ways to do things. There is Photoshop. So let me just grab a slightly different one. There we go. All right. So there's a number of different ways. There's millions of tutorials out there. So that hang on, I need to. So you can magic wand the background, hit delete, and that's primarily done. Okay. The other way, let me undo this, step backwards. All right. So the other way that it's possible, you can go into select color range, hit the color range, and hit delete. Okay. So that's basically done. The other way, and I just found, like, literally doing some research for this video, this website here. All right. So select the video. We'll click on one. Now this is going to take a minute to upload because it's a rather big file. So, but the test run I did, I refreshed, so it didn't look that bad. I did do a test run and it worked perfectly. I was really impressed. So while that's doing that, let's go over here to Canva, and you can create a design. There was a search here before. Home. Search. All right, I want to make a Facebook banner, cover photo. There we go. All right, so there is a whole bunch of free templates here that you can use. All right, you just pick one. So let's go with this. Okay, let me just get rid of the help stuff. How's this image going? We're nearly there. All right, so you click on it, you drag it to where you want it. All right, if you don't want some things, you just click and delete. It's that simple. All right, you put that up here. We'll change it to Doug McKenzie, and we'll change it from centered to left so it sits on there. All right, Doug McKenzie, and then we can put some. Can we copy paste? There we go. Doug McKenzie, internet expert. All right, we can change the size down just a little bit. We'll bring it back up. All right, we can center that if you want. Okay, yep, okay, so that's good. How's this coming along? It failed. Let's just kick another one off again. I think it was this one I tried before. All right, but it works. All right, it may take a couple goes, but that's fine. I have some other pictures that that I've already removed the background. let's do that. So uploads, upload an image, go into here. We'll do this one because I think it's funny. Okay, it's just uploading. Now these, I don't think these ones are too big. No, there we go. And you just drag it in. Resize. Undo. Why does that have a white back? It's when you do save your files, make sure you save them as a PNG. So I'm going to use this one with the facepalm because it kind of fits in with what just happened. I'm not really an internet expert yet, but I'm working on it. I just thought it was funny. That's still okay. So this is doing its thing. Look at that, it's perfect. Download, there we go. So I will also upload, let me get rid of this. I'll also upload that in there. So it's just a matter of dragging it in, you resize it, chuck it in. Alright, this one should be ready. This one's a bit more appropriate, so we'll delete this. Okay. I'd have a better t-shirt on if I was going to do it, hence why I've got mine like in a suit from when I was at my sister's wedding. Alright, well that's essentially it. That gives you a basic header. Now remember that in this bottom left hand corner you have your avatar picture, so be careful on what you put in the bottom left, and then you just go publish, download, alright, and it prepares it. No, just close out, and there's the picture there. Obviously you would take some more time and finesse it a little bit, put a shadow on the text, change the color, background picture. I can tell you of a website, my link is broken, called Pexels.com. Most of what I've seen on here is free, so there's a whole bunch of images that you can use. You just do your search. Well, hello, there we go. Alright, now say you wanted this picture, free download, and then you just download. Alright, so if we come back to our Facebook cover and we want to get rid of the background elements, is there a, here it is, so we can delete that. We upload this. Whoops. Alright, we upload this new image. Now this one's going to be a bit too busy, but you know it'll be fine for demo, for these demonstration purposes. Okay, and we can work this in here. Alright. Okay, now I believe there is position backwards. Okay, so you need to think of it as layers. So you know, if you want to change the color, okay, we can make it black. We do it here as well. All right, so it really is fairly simple to get started. And you don't have to spend money. You can just do this yourself, play around with it. So one thing I want to mention, if you are on my team, I will help make these for you. Now I'm no expert. Oh well, that's a fail. I'm actually playing with one right now. Okay, so we put on that new background, and we can make this text a little bigger. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's looking all right. Alright, we can chuck it in there. I wouldn't go with this background. There's too much going on. The dark one might work. So we do this. It's basically what I did with the previous one. Okay, position, go backwards, backwards, and then we change all this text back to white. Thank you. Oop. Okay, and yeah. So, but what I want to do is with my team that I'm building. As soon as you come into my team, I can get you access to training from a guy who's a millionaire who is training me, and I'm going to pass on some of those trainings. Ari, top bloke, really enjoy what he's got to say, how he does things, the opportunities that he puts through to us. I can get you inside a Facebook group so we can learn and sort of get in together. And just anything that you need help with, I want to be the person that you ask. Hey, I need graphics, I need video, I need topics. There's something else here. One sec. Hey guys, it's Doug here. I thought I'd just do a quick video. I've been helping a few people out recently, and I figured, you know, I'll just better make something like this real quick, and we'll just put it together. Now, shout out to my mentor. Sorry guys, shout out to my mentor Ari. He was the one that sort of put me onto this a little bit, just to sort of get things rolling. Now, this is definitely just the basics. All right, guys. But I want to talk to you about your setup on your Facebook profile. Okay, so it's very important that you have a plain avatar picture and then a business orientated kind of Facebook banner. So mine's fairly basic. You know, if we look, we can look at other ones, but you know, I don't want to show other people's Facebook on my video, so that, you know, there's privacy stuff there. But you'll notice that the people having success, they all have a nice Facebook banner. It now the reasons why, you know, it's a little bit more professional. You know, for example, you get a friend request from someone, and they've got Donald Duck as their avatar and some kind of car doing a burnout or something random in their Facebook banner. Are you going to add them as a friend? No, you're not. Well, the chances are pretty low anyway. So what I want to show you is just very quickly on how you can achieve this. So we go back to the desktop. Now, there's a couple of ways to do things. There is Photoshop. So let me just grab a slide.